Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20939. It's a very clean Clark GCS15. It's a 3,000 pound cushion tire forklift. Has excellent smooth cushion tires. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast. It's approximately 187 inches of max lift height. It's got 3-way to the carriage, ready for side shift. 42-inch power forks, smooth running 4-cylinder LP gas engine. It's going to take it up for us up there. Nice and beautiful in the Colorado skies. Unit has had recent repairs, a new PM service, and a brand new paint job. Ready for work. You can come check it out on abetterforklift.com, on our website, or at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you very much for watching.